What's up YouTube, it's HELLCAT J. I'm here back with another video. So a couple weeks ago I did my rear muffler slash resonator delete on my Charger V6, and you know, I liked it. It definitely increased the sound, but you know, it wasn't enough for me. So today I'm going to be replacing the mid mufflers with these Vibrant Performance resonators, and these are really good. I mean, I saw a review of a guy on YouTube. His name is Stinger. He had pretty much the setup that I want. He put those, replaced the mid mufflers with those, and had a rear muffler delete and like 5-inch tips, which I'll be installing those later after I do my wide body kit. But the sound coming out of his V6 was really nice. I mean, I was looking for something a little more deep, a little more, you know, growly. And I mean, I'm not gonna say it sounds like a V8, but it sounds pretty damn good for a V6, real aggressive and throaty. So I'm excited. So I'm here at the Meineke in Newark, New Jersey, where I always do my exhaust work. They, you know, they're taking me at the last hour they're open. They never give me any issues about scheduling. I called like 3 other Meinekes that were closer to me, and they said that, you know, they didn't have time for me. But these guys, they always got time for me. I mean, they got like what, 7 lifts here. They always do a good job. They're located in Elizabeth Street in Newark. They always do a superb job. I've done multiple exhaust works for them, and you know, honestly, I'm just gonna stick with them for all my exhaust needs. All right guys, so in this video I'm gonna be doing you know, it'll be a warm start, some revs once it gets off the lift, a little bit of a POV drive with some pulls inside the cabin with the windows down to see how it sounds. And then I also plan on doing like a flyby video, maybe later at night by my house when traffic dies down. But yeah, I'm excited, man. I'll catch you guys when the job is finished. What's up YouTube, it's HELLCAT J. I'm here with my boy. He does all my exhaust work with multiple cars. We just put the Vibrant mid-muffler resonator things on the car with the rear muffler delete. So this is how it sounds with the combo. Oh yeah. Again, this is a warm start, but it's definitely more aggressive. I'm liking it. Let me give you some rev. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Gracias, amigo. Gracias. What's up, guys? HELLCAT J. This is just a cold start video of my Dodge Charger GT V6 all-wheel drive after doing a rear resonator delete and inserting Vibrant mid muffler replacement resonators. Sorry, that was a mouthful. But basically, I took out the mid mufflers and put in the Vibrant resonators that I bought off of Amazon for like 50 bucks. They sound great. It definitely increased the sound of the car. But yeah, check it out. This is a true cold start. Nice. Sounds great for a V6.